Today I'm going to share how I like to use the DILLON Hyperion Barrier Support Antioxidant Oil. This is a really beautiful blend of pure plant oils that's used to protect and replenish your skin's natural lipid barrier. It's a lightweight oil that absorbs beautifully into the skin, it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily or greasy, and it's suitable for all skin types including acne-prone, sensitive skin, and even oily skin. This oil not only helps to nourish the skin, but it also helps to enhance your skin's elasticity, helps to protect against environmental stresses, as well as reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I personally found this oil super helpful when I had a reaction to another skincare product that left my skin really dry, sore, and sensitive. After applying the DILLON Hyperion for about 4 to 5 days, morning and night, the area was completely repaired, it was smooth again, it was no longer sore, and it really did help to nourish and repair that area. So to use the DILLON Hyperion oil, I take a few drops into my hand, rub them together, and then gently press it into my skin. Now, I like to apply this directly after cleansing, but before applying any other serums, moisturizers, SPF, or makeup. So not only does it restore and replenish my skin, but you can also use it as a cuticle oil on your nails or to apply to the ends of your hair to add additional shine.